Hey guys, it's Aditi. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Click the red subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will never miss my any videos. Yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. On the last video, I have told you about this box. Now I will customize this wooden box. This box is totally wooden, not even polished from outside. I will make a design on this box. You can print out some designs or your picture, whatever you want. I have bought these Flora printed sheets from Itsy Bitsy store. You can buy it from them. Now take the size and cut it. This type of wooden box you can also buy it from Itsy Bitsy store. If you are using any old wooden box, this type of patches you can see there. Don't worry, while designing I will hide these patches. Here I am using Itsy Bitsy Deco Magic Glue. Watch the full video. Apply the glue as I am doing. Here I take the printed sheet and start applying the glue again like this. Do it very gently in a soft hand. You can add some leaves, butterflies. It looks pretty. All the materials I have used are mentioned in the description box. Now you can see the shine in the box. It looks amazing. Repeat the same process on the other side. Do it very gently. You can see the amazing shine in the box. Let it dry for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, there is no stickiness in the glue. You can see. As I said earlier, this box is not polished. So I am going to use this Deco Vanish gloss. It is also from Itsy Bitsy store. Apply this as I am doing. Do it very gently. I am repeating this line because if you do it very fast or any roughly, you can tear the pages. So I am warning that do it very gently in your soft hand. You can see the shiny texture. It's really look amazing. Now let's decorate the top. Do it in the same process. Take your time, do it slowly, gently, in a soft hand. Because this is the outside part, so I will put 2 coats so that it gives more shine. After using Deco Magic Glue, I will use Deco Vanish Gloss. Let it dry for 10 minutes. You can see the shine. It looks really amazing. After using Deco Magic Glue, I have used Deco Vanish Gloss. They both are from Itsy Bitsy store. You can buy it from them. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. It's free and really means a lot. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe and be crafty.